Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going through a 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. This one is powered by our 300 Mercury Verado. We have the dune interior color here. This backrest will fold down to give you a little bit more lounge space on the aft of the boat. Very nice cockpit tables in here, cut off for access as you go through the boat. Lots of storage underneath each of these cushions. And then one thing I love is the amount of space this outboard provides you. Very social cockpit layout. This seat does move forward and aft. Again, more storage under this very long seat here. Again, this seat moves forward and aft, so when you're kind of on the hook or at the dock, you can make this an even more social cockpit. Up here at the helm, you have your Mercury binnacle, Mercury active trim, automatically trims your engine for optimal performance. Lenco trim tabs. You have the single Simrad screen, Sea Ray tilt steering wheel, all your lights and pumps access easily on the left side of the dashboard. Your radio controls have moved over to the port side, so your co-captain can control that radio there, or you can just control it from your phone Bluetooth. Large helm pod here on the 250 SDX. Can double as maybe a small cuddy for kids or a nice changing area. And this rolls back to give you a little more headroom or privacy. Finally, up in the bow, you get a little port justified entry into your bow. Gives you a little bit more seating. You can get 2 to 3 people over on the starboard side. And then your table leaf folds out to give you a little bit more movability up in the bow here. Storage under all of these cushions. And then at the bow here, you do have an anchor saddle and a bow ladder. If you want a little bit more information on this boat, feel free to give us a call, 410-732-1260.